Hey there, this is Matt from VMP Performance, and today on Shop Talk Saturday, we're going to do an overview on this 2019 Dodge Red-Eye that we're going to be tuning for the Dream Giveaway Sweepstakes. So the heartbeat of this thing is Supercharger, which is a 2650 rotor pack. We have that. We have a various assortment of pulleys, but I think we're going to end up somewhere around 18 PSI on pump gas. Alright, so coming around to the back of the car, you got a chance to see some of the custom carbon fiber ground effects that they've added to the car, as well as they've also added a Hearst catback exhaust to the car to give it a little bit more power and obviously a great sound. So aside from that, the outside of it remains mostly stock, other than an occasional graphics here and there. So the inside of the car remains relatively unchanged, minus the Hearst shifter that they've added to the car. And of course, the crown jewel of the whole thing, Mr. Big Daddy Don Garlits himself has signed the dashboard here. Now, if you guys do or do not know about him, you should. Big Daddy is one of the founding fathers of drag racing, the first person to go 170, 180, 200, 240, and 270 miles an hour, as well as having a whole bunch of other awards. So if you guys enjoy anything about drag racing, you owe it to that man right there. He signed the dash, so winning this car, that just adds to it on top of everything else. So if you'd like a chance to win this car, be sure to jump on to the Dream Car Giveaway website and buy a couple tickets. In the meantime, if you have a Dodge, whether it be a Demon, Red-Eye, Hellcat, or any Dodge, and you'd like it tuned by VMP, just contact sales and support and we'd be happy to get you taken care of. If you like this episode of Shop Talk Saturday and you want to see more like it, just remember to like, share, and subscribe, and you can see more action.